Tired of your diagram objects moving independently when you try to reposition them? Learn to group and ungroup in draw.io for Confluence and Jira in seconds. I'll show you the exact keyboard shortcuts to group and ungroup objects so you can keep your diagrams organized effortlessly. Let's start by opening your Jira account. Now, this could be a project you're actively working on, or maybe a bug tracker you use for your team. Just go ahead and log in like you normally would. Then open the diagram you want to edit. This is probably a draw.io diagram that's already attached to a Confluence page or embedded inside a Jira issue. Click on it to open the editor. You'll see your canvas with all those shapes and connectors. Now, highlight the objects you want to group. This is where the magic happens. Maybe you've got a few process boxes that represent a single step, or some shapes that create a logical section. Just click and drag your mouse to select them all. You'll know they're selected when you see the blue handles around each object. And here's the really important part. Press Ctrl key and G on your keyboard. That's it, Ctrl plus G. On a Mac, that would be Command plus G. The objects will snap together. You might see a subtle visual change, like a dashed outline around the entire group, but the biggest difference is in how they behave. From now on, you can select and move the group as a whole. Click anywhere on that group and drag. Every single object moves together, perfectly keeping their positions relative to each other. No more realigning everything because one box decided to go its own way. I've tested this with flowcharts, org charts, and network diagrams, and it saves so much time. Now, to ungroup multiple objects, it's just as simple. First, select the grouped objects by clicking on them. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and U on your keyboard. Ctrl plus Shift plus U. On a Mac, that's Command plus Shift plus U. You'll see the grouping outline disappear. And now, the objects can be selected and moved individually again. Each shape is back to being its own independent element. You can tweak the layout, adjust the spacing, or move one shape while leaving the others exactly where they are. Let's quickly recap and share a tip. To group, select your objects and press Ctrl plus G. To ungroup, select the group and press Ctrl plus Shift plus U. One tip I always share with people who are new to this is to group your objects early in the design process. Don't wait until you've placed everything perfectly. Group related items as you build your diagram. That way, if you need to reposition an entire section, you can do it without accidentally scrambling your layout. Thanks for watching. Now go open your diagram and give grouping a try. Your diagrams will thank you.